Good morning, students. How are you, everybody? I request all of you first of all solve the homework questions. First, you solve all that homework questions. Send it through the WhatsApp. I will check it and then you start for this lecture. I also request you please use the graph paper wherever it is asked for the graphical solution. So use the graph paper for the graphical solutions question, because in major CBSE board examinations they will ask the questions based on the graphical solution. So I request all of you please use graph paper. Okay. Now let us see in this lecture we start see in first lecture in a linear equation. First we form the linear equations. After the formation of the linear equation, we checks the availability for between the two linear equations. Okay, what are the availability between the two linear equations? You know that the lines are intersecting, parallels, and the third one is that they are the coincident, or we can say as the identical. After that we have find out the solutions graphically, and now we are going to find out the solutions for the pair of the linear equations analytically. See, to find out the solutions analytically, we are having a three methods. Number one is a substitution method, second one is a elimination method, and third one is a cross multiplication method, which is also popular by the Cramer's method. So in first lecture we shall learn the method of the substitution. So all of you ready for that? So see the method of substitution. See, in these lectures we learn the method of substitution. Method of substitution is one of the easy method to solve out the two linear equations. See here, first let me consider a linear equation 7x minus 15y. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. This is the first linear equation. And second linear equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is the second linear equation. So see the two linear equations are given. First, solve this linear equation. You know, when we can solve the linear equation, we can actually between these two linear equations, three conditions are possible. They are the intersecting line, they are the intersecting line, they are the parallel line, and they are the coincident line. When we solve the linear equations by using the analytical method, we accept that the lines are intersecting, because in case of intersecting only one solution is possible. See, in case of parallel there is no solution is possible, and in case of coincident there are the infinite many solutions are possible. In fact, in case of coincident line, the equation of both the lines you will find to be the same equation. If you divide any one equation by particular constant, then first equation and second equation will be the same equation. So there is no need to solve that equation. By looking the equations only we can identify they are the coincident line. If the parallel line, then solutions is not possible. So they cannot say we solve. Why? Because solutions is not possible, then how can they say that we solve the equations? So definitely we are solving the linear equations for these conditions, for the intersecting lines. And you know what is the conditions that the lines are intersect analytically? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. See, all the equations which are given for the solution, if you find that condition A1 by A2 and B1 by B2, then surely the terms are not equal to, because then only they are the intersecting lines and the solutions is possible. Understood? So now, just 1 minute. Fine. So now let me try to find out the solutions by using the method of substitution. As it is, the method is known as a substitution method. So we are substituting something. See, first before we solve this, before we use this method of substitution, let I give the one simple example. See this linear equation, x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is written in how many variable? It is written in how many variable? One variable. Only one variable there would be x. Now plus 1 on this side. So then I can have x is equal to minus 1. So solutions is ready. Here you are able to find out the solutions, because mathematics conclusions is that by using one equation we can solve only one variable. We cannot solve two variables at the same time. It is not possible. Yeah, we can solve it one by one. So first we find x and then we find y. That is possible. But at a time, solution is possible only for the one variable. We cannot solve all the variables, means both the variables at the same time. So what is the logics besides the method of substitution? See, in every equations there are the two variables. Fine. So we cannot solve x and y. Why? Because by using one equation we can solve only one variable. So what exactly we use the psychology besides the method of substitutions? See here, if this y variable I convert in terms of x, then these equations carry only one variable, and if it is in one variable, then we can solve the, by using the one equation we can solve the one variable. It means you will able to find out the value of x. Otherwise, if I change this value of x in terms of y, okay, then whole equations is in terms of the y, and by using one equation, one variable, that can be solved, so I can find out the value for the y. Understood? So here the logics is clear. Either you can x you can replace in terms of y, or this y you can replace in terms of x by using this equation. From this equation you find out the value of x in terms of y, or you find out the value of y in terms of x. First of all, you decide which variable you want to substitute. You want to substitute y for x, or you want to substitute x for y. So which variable that you want to substitute, that you decide. So suppose in this equation, suppose I have decided to substitute y for x. It means I want to substitute the value of y for the x. Is it? So see here, how can I do this? First you give the name to both equations. Equation number 1 and second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Fine. Now I have decided that I want to substitute y. So here in this equation, I try to make y as a subject of the equation. Is that? So see, plus x on this side. So 2y is equal to 3 minus x. Now I divide these equations by 2. So therefore, I get the value for y. So y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. Fine. So here I have the value for y. And what is the value for y? Y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. Is that? Now this value I substitute here. It means I replace y for x. That already I have decided. So now in this equation, see, 7x minus 15, and I replace the value of y by x. It means I am substituting the value of y, and hence the method is called the method of substitution. I substitute the value of y. So what is the value of y? This is 3 minus x by 2. Fine. So is equal to 2. Now see, this is the one equation, but one equation with one variable, and I already told you, okay, by using a one equation you are able to find out the one variable. So by using this equation you can solve the one variable. That's all. So let how we can solve this now. I take the LCM for 2. So 7 2s are, so it is 14x minus 15 multiplied here. So minus 15 3s are 45. This minus and this minus, that's makes a plus. So plus 15x. And this LCM is remains over here as a 2. So this LCM multiplied here, and then finally I multiplied here. So this 2 2s are becomes the 4. So now 15x plus 14x. Fine. So that's a 5 plus 4 9. So that's a 29x. Fine. Okay. So 29x is here. Okay. And this minus 45 I take on this side. This 15 plus 14, that is 29x. Now minus 45 I takes on this side. So it is 4 plus 45. Is it? So 4 plus 45, that is a 49. See on that one. So see, 29x is equal to this 45 plus 4, so that is 49. 20x thata y x, yeah. So 29x is equal to 45 plus 4, that is 49. So therefore x is equal to this 29 on this side, so 49 upon 29. So look at, the value of x is determined. Now we require to find out y. So y is here, see y. Y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. So is equal to 3 minus x. I substitute x. So it is 49 upon 29 upon 2. Now I take the LCM of 29. Clear? So 29 threes are, so that's a 57 minus 49 upon 2. Fine. 29 3 are, and that's make sure 57. Fine. चलिए ready? चलो ready? See this 29 into 3. Here I make a mistake. So 29 into 3, so it is 87 minus 49, and this 29 comes in denominator. After taking the LCM, this 29 comes in denominator. So this is 2 into 29. Now 87 minus 49, that comes for 38 upon 2 into 29. Now 2 19s are, so is equal to 19 upon 20. So value of y is, चलिए ready? So y is equal to 19 upon 29. So solution is ready. X is 49 upon 29 and y is 19 upon 29. So here I have substituted y for x. The same time you can also substitute x for y. You can also substitute x for y. So first you complete this. The same example we are calculating where we substitute x for y. Which one is easy now that we decide to substitute? Here I have substituted y, but in place of, suppose I substitute value of x for y, so x is equal to 3 minus 2y. I hope that would be easy because here I get the terms in denominator. So better I can substitute x for y. So you decide which one is convenient to you and accordingly we take the decision. Okay. So first you initially write down this, and same method we can do. Here I have substituted y for x. Same time I also can substitute x for y. So let me do that. So first you complete this. Completed. See, complete the example. Now seeing same example, I try to substitute x for y. Here I have substituted y for x. It means y is substituted. Now I try to substitute x. Fine. So look at how this is. So you ready? See, here plus 2y I take on this side. So value of x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Here the terms of denominators are absent. So LCM, we should not have to take the LCM for the calculation. So now in this value, I substitute in equation 1. So x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So put in number 1. So x is equal to 3 minus 2y, that you put in number 1. So therefore 7 value of x. What is the value of x? 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. Now multiply here. So 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 14y. I think let I give close camera. Yeah. So see. So 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Here first I obtain the y, and then y I substitute here, I will get the x. Look at some calculations becomes easy. Now minus 14 minus 15. So minus 14y minus 15y. So that is minus 29y. And this plus 21 I take on this side. So is equal to 2 minus 21. Right? Now 2 minus 21, that becomes a minus 90. Right? So see, let I write one step. So minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 29. So that's a minus 90. Okay? Chaliye, ready? So now minus minus becomes the plus. See on this board. Chaliye, ready? So see. See, minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So minus minus becomes plus. It means 29y is equal to 19. Now this 29 on this side. So value of y is equal to 19 upon 29. चलिए first value is determined. Now you know the value of x. X is equal to 3 minus 2y. We know x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So 3 minus 2. I am substituting the y. Y is 19 by 29. So is equal to 3 minus 19 to the 20. 19 to the 38. Okay, upon 29. This 29 is multiplied here, so 29 into 3, so it is 87 minus 38 upon 29, right? So 87 minus 38, and that is equal to 49 upon 29. 87 minus 9 at 7, 437, yeah, so that's a 49 by 29, okay? So I got the value for x. So x is 49 by 29 and y is 19 by. So this is the solution. Okay. Chaliye, complete. See, this is the another alternate. I hope that this should be convenient than that. So which one would be convenient, that you decide from the equation, because in all the examples the quality of the equations are different. So you decide your own selves कि कौन सी value कहाँ से substitute करिए. अगर see here I substitute the value from here, I take the value from here and that I substitute. But in place of, you can also get the value from here and you can substitute here. But that would be some tough, because here the coefficients are hard. That are the some hard prime number, 7 and 15. And maybe you will get in denominator, you will get the some confusions at the time of, means you have some lengthy calculations, clear? But from here I substitute the value, it becomes some easy. So you decide your own selves by looking the quality of the equation. It is not compulsory कि always from 2 we will get the value and that I substitute in 1. It is not compulsory. You can also get the value from 1 and you can substitute in second. So you can do, either you can substitute second from 1 or you can substitute 1 from second. You can do anything. Is that clear? So nothing is compulsory. And see here the equations 1 and 2 that we have noted, it's a 1 and 2. They are giving the pair, they are not saying which one is first and which one is second. Is that clear? Fine. So please complete this examples. Can you show enter in? चलिए, ready for next? So see the next examples. चलिए, get ready. See the next example. See 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. And second equation is given 4x plus 6y is equal to 80. Solve this equation. Clear? Fine. Now see one thing that I give the suggestion for one thing. See here, observe the second equation. Fine. This equation is not in lowest form. It means further you can divide by this. If you divide, it is possible to divide these equations by 2 because all are the multiple of 2. So if equations is not given in its lowest form, you can convert in its lowest form and then you can consider it as a second equation. If you consider this equation, then also you will get the solution. But to make the calculations easy, if you divide these equations by 2, the calculations becomes easy because here the coefficients are reduced once you divide by 2. Understood or not? If you keep in the same way and you will operate the method of substitution, you will get the solutions. Understood or not? But if you reduce this by dividing by 2, you will get the easy solutions because the coefficients are reduced. So let I divide this by 2. So this becomes divide. This one is my first equation and this one is my second equation. We say first and second so that we are not confused. Fine. And for that we are giving the name. Fine. So divide number 2 by 2. Fine. So let I divide by 2. So this would be 2x plus 6 by 2 is a 3y and 18 by 2 it's a 9. Okay. So now this equations I say as a second. or I can say as a third. So now I can get the solution from 1 and third. Okay, because this would be the lowest form of this. If you use this, then also you will get the same solution. If you use both of this, you will get the same solution. But here the coefficients are reduced, so it would be easy for you. Clear? Now see. Okay. Now first you observe this equation and you observe this equation. See, both equations seems to be the same. Am I right? It means both these lines are coincident line because their equations are same. देखो coincidence जो lines होती है ना, इसमें analytically तो हमने देखा था कि a1/a2 is equal to b1/b2 is equal to c1/c2. All the three ratios are equal. The lines are coincident. But practically if you observe this any two lines and if they are the identical, तो किसी भी एक lines को आप divide करो या multiply करो तो दोनों lines same हो जाएगी. Because identical का मतलब है दोनों same ही हैं. Is that clear? Followed or not? So both are the same. So here you seems to be both are the identical. Both are the identical. It means how many solutions are possible? Infinite solution are possible, and we cannot proceed to find that infinite solutions. Understood or not? So here we make the comment. Okay, here lines are coincident. Here the lines are coincident. So therefore, infinite many solutions are possible. That's all. Okay? और वो infinite solution कौन है? We cannot solve it because they are the infinite. So it is very difficult to see all that points. Okay? मतलब ये line खुद ही एक solution है. Okay? Over. इतनी details में तो नहीं दिया है आपने. ठीक है, बस you write that infinite many solutions. Okay? चलिए, ready? Now let me start exercise 3.3 for textbooks. Okay? Please you complete these examples. I starts with exercise 3.3 of your textbooks. Okay? चलिए, ready? See. The first example for exercise 3.3, NCERT textbooks exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 page है 53. Page number 53. See the first example. A pair of linear equations are given and we have to solve it by method of substitution. First pair is given, x plus y is equal to 14. And see the second equation is given, x minus y is equal to 4. Fine. अब पहले डिसाइड करो आपको किसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, y for x और x for y. Which one you want to substitute? वो पहले डिसाइड कर लो. Suppose you have decided I want to substitute x for y. So from this equation you will find the value. Okay, here x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus y on this side. So it is 4 plus y. Clear? Okay. Put in this one is equation 1 and this one is equation number 2. So x is equal to 4 plus y. Put in equation number 1. So therefore, this x is replaced for y. मैंने आपको समझाया ना, कोई भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हो, x for y और y for x. मैंने x को इसलिए यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया क्योंकि अगर मैं y यहाँ पे y को x आई रिप्लेस y for x तो यहाँ पे माइनस y होगा, फिर से एक बार माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा टू मेक इट प्लस. तो मैंने सोचा चलो x सीधे सीधे आएगा, माइनस y ऑन दिस साइड, सो आई विल गेट इजीली x. So I have decided to substitute x for y. Understood? So here in this equation I substitute the value of x, 4 plus y. So this is substituted. So this is 4 plus y is equal to 14. So therefore 4 plus y, so that is 2y is equal to 14. Now plus 4 on this side, so that is a minus 4. So 2y is equal to 14 minus 4 and that is equal to 10. So y is equal to, divide these equations by 2. So 2 by 2 1 and 10 by 2 that is 5. So I have got the value for y is 5. Now to find out x, we know that x is equal to 4 plus y. So is equal to 4 plus, what is the value for y? 5. So I write the value for y 5 and 5 plus 4 9. So I have got the solutions, x is 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay, solutions is over. Please complete the examples. So ના હું તો રેપો કરીશ. चलिए ready for next. See the next. See next. X minus t is equal to 3. First equation, and s minus t. Here in place of x and y they are using the variable as s and t. कोई बात नहीं, चलिए ready. And next is s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. See, this is first equation and this one is second equation. See, second equations में simplifications possible. It is not in lowest form. Better we do the simplification. So here I take the total LCM. Total LCM is a 3 to the 6. So this is multiplied by 2. This is multiplied by 3. So therefore 2 into s, it is 2s plus 3 into t, it is a 3t, and total LCM 3 to the 6 is equal to 6. Now this 6 I multiplied here. So therefore 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 6 the 36. Fine. This should be the lowest simplification. Fine. Now here if I substitute value from 1 to 2, it would be easy क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ डिविजिबल में, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे s की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, तो माइनस टी सामने गया. See here, s minus t is equal to 3. Fine. Now if I have decided I want to substitute s for t, so minus t just I am taking on this side, I am getting the value of s. Minus t on this side, so this is plus t. So this should be easy. Now s I can substitute here. चलो मैंने ऐसा किया कि यहाँ से मैं इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करूँ. I find the value for x. तो देखो इसमें 2s is equal to ये this on this side. So 36 minus 3t, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करो. So I will get sums this value in a rational form. So this should be more convenient ना. So आप decide करो यहाँ से मैं यहाँ पे substitute कर रहा हूँ. You decide. The decision is yours, and that you can decide by getting the equations. Okay, which one would be easy? So from here I get the value of s is equal to t plus 3, putting in number 2. So I substitute this value in number 2. So therefore 2 value of s is here. This is t plus 3 plus 3t is equal to 36. Now 2 into t, that is 2t, plus 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 3t is equal to 36. Now 3t plus 2t. So that's a 5t is equal to plus 6 on this side. So it's a minus 6. So 36 minus 6. It's a 30. Divide both sides with 5. So t is equal to 6. 5 upon 5 1 and 30 upon 5 is equal to 6. So value of t is equal to 6. Now this value I substitute here. So now we know s is equal to t plus 3 and t is equal to 6. So 6 you can substitute. So this is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So I have get the solution. S is a 9 and t is equal to 6. Okay. चलिए कंप्लीट करिए. चलिए रेडी फॉर नेक्स्ट. चलिए रेडी. सी 3x minus y is equal to 3. First equation. And second equation 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now see the second equation. It is not in its lowest form. It means all the terms are divisible by 3. So first I divide by 3. So this is my first equation. Fine. And here divide by 3. So this equations I divide by 3. So 9 upon 3. So that is 3x minus 3 by 3. So that is y, and 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. चलिए clear. And this I can say as second equation. Now let me observe this equation. See 3x minus y3. ये दोनों equation seems to be the same. It means lines are identical. If you find the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. All the three ratios will come same. Okay, so if you want to give more explanation, theoretical explanation, you can say here, okay, here a1 by a2. If we write this statement, it means we are supporting theoretical background is equal to say 3 upon 3 1 minus 1 upon minus 1. दोनों इक्वेशन सेम से तो तीनों रेशियो सेम सी आएंगे. Is it? Not to worry. You can write it directly. It comes same. Okay. So these three are same. So therefore lines are which kind of the lines? Coincident. So lines are coincident. So therefore infinite many solutions are possible. That's all. चलो clear? So infinite many solutions are possible. Over. Okay? और वो solution कौन कौन से? This is not necessary to write because infinite it's not possible. मतलब ये खुद एक line है. You will learn later on. चलिए. It means higher standard. Fine. So please complete here. Ready? See the next example. Let's we go for the next one. Example number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. See 0.2x plus 0.3y is 1.3. Now see this equations is also not easy to solve because it's given in the decimals value. So we must need to convert in integers form. Is that? So see this is 0.2, this is 0.3 and this is 1.3. So one decimal tak hai. So what I can do? I multiply whole these equations by 10 because see actually if you see this is 0.2. So 0.2 is written by 2 by 10. Yes or no? So to make this 2 by 10 integer, I multiplied by 10. So 10 cancel, it would be 2. So all are decimal form with a 1 digit. It means if I multiply whole equations by 10, I will get the all numbers, all coefficients in integers form. Am I right? So see what I can do here. I multiplying both sides by 10. Multiplying both sides by 10. So I multiplied all the equations through the equations by 10. So see 0.2 into 10. May I write directly? 0.2. देखो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो एक डेसिमल आगे चले जाओ, एक डेसिमल आगे और एक डेसिमल आगे. So 0.2 में एक आगे जाओ तो ये 2x, 0.3 में आगे जाओ तो 3y और 1.3 में एक डेसिमल आगे जाओ so 30. So this is my first equation. See the second one is given as 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. What I can do? I again multiply whole these equations by 10 because this shows the 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. So let it multiply by 10. Fine. So let it multiply by 10. So multiplying both sides by 10. Same. So see 0.4 1 decimal आगे चले जाओ so 4x. 0.5 1 decimal आगे चले जाओ 5y. And 0.23 1 decimal आगे चले जाओ so it is 23. This is the equations number 2. Now solve both this equation. पहले एक बार देख लो दोनों आइडेंटिकल तो नहीं हो रहे ना. 2x 3y 4x कोएफिशिएंट्स आर डिफरेंट so no chance they can be identical. आइडेंटिकल में तो आप लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करोगे ना तो दोनों लाइंस सेम ही हो जाएगी. इट सीम्स टू बी सेम व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द लोएस्ट फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ डिसाइड करो x को y के लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है या y यू वांट टू सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर x. देखो यहाँ पे तो डिविजिबल में आएगा क्योंकि दोनों जगह पे कोएफिशिएंट्स है. सो यू डिसाइड एनीवन. एक काम करो यहाँ से फ्रॉम हियर आई सब्स्टिट्यूट x फॉर y. क्लियर? सो आई गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सो सी यहाँ से सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो भी चलेगा बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू विल गेट द रेशनल नंबर्स. फाइन. तो चलो यहीं से कर देते. आई डोंट वांट टू राइट दिस रिपीटेडली. सो सी हियर और कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो x फॉर y और y फॉर x. हियर आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई सब्स्टिट्यूट x फॉर y. So plus 5y on this side. So 4x is equal to 23 minus 5y. चलिए रेडी, डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशंस बाय 4. So x is equal to 23 minus 5y upon 4. Fine. So I substitute x for y and this values I substitute in equation number 1. Okay. So see what happens. See on that board. चलिए रेडी. See. हाँ कहाँ पे थे? X is here, yeah, fine. So this x I am substituting here. So see, I write the statement in continuity. Substitute x is putting in equation number 1. Okay. So see, the 1 is here. So therefore 2 value of x is ready. 23 minus 5y upon 4. So 23 minus 5y upon 4. ये x मैं यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ. x is I am replacing here in 1. I write the comments ना, putting in 1. So here this x I am replacing with this plus 3y is equal to plus 3y is equal to 30. Fine. This 2 2s are 4. So therefore 23 minus 5y और ये 2 का LCM ले लीजिए. So 3 2s are 6y plus 6y upon 2 is equal to 30. चलिए ready. Now this 2 you can multiply on this side. So therefore 23, this is minus 5y and this is 6y. 6 में से एक minus 5 कैंसिल कर दीजिए, मतलब minus 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए तो 6 minus 5. So remaining is plus 1 is equal to 13 2s are 26. And now plus 23 on this side. So y is equal to 26 minus 23 is equal to 3. So value of y is ready. Fine. Now this value of y I substitute in here. X is 23 minus 5y upon 4. X is equal to 23 minus 5y upon 4. So 23 minus 5 into y. What is the value for y? 3 upon 4. So 5 3s are 15. 23 minus 15. बताइए. So this should be 8. 23 minus 15. Okay. So that is 8 by 4. And 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 3. चलिए कंप्लीट कर दीजिए इसे. Please complete this. See, closer camera. Complete this. चलिए ready for next. Okay. So see the next. Next is see the next. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. First equation. And second equation, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Find out the solutions. Fine. ठीक है. देखो ये दोनों equations not seems to be the same. Parallel तो आपको देंगे ही नहीं because parallel line have no solution. सिर्फ दो सिस्टम को सॉल्यूशंस है. वन इंटरसेक्टिंग सिस्टम हैज सॉल्यूशन एंड वन कोइंसिडेंट सिस्टम हैज द सॉल्यूशन. कोइंसिडेंट हैज इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन, वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट दैट, but intersecting has only one solution and we are proceeding for this. Clear? In case of coincident line, this both seems to be the same. If it comes in its lowest form, both equations seems to be the same. दोनों सेम टू सेम हो जाएंगे. क्लियर? ध्यान रखिए. तो चलिए अब डिसाइड कर लो कौन सी वैल्यू कहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. काम करो यहाँ से x फाइंड करते हैं और 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. So see here minus root 8y on this side. So root 3x is equal to root 8y. Minus on this side it would be plus. So दोनों साइड root 3 से डिवाइड करो. So x is equal to root 8 upon root 3y. This root 3 on this side. Fine. So root 8 upon root 3y. Fine. This putting in equation 1. So equation number 1 is root 2 x. What is the value of x? Root 8 upon root 3. Root 8 upon root 3y plus root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. चलिए clear? Now you take the LCM of root 3. So this root 3 is multiplied and then after this root 3 is multiplied with 0. When it multiplied with 0, 0 into anything that becomes 0. So therefore now root 8 into root 2. Root 8 into root 2. आपको ये rules पता है exponential function का? Root a into root b is equal to root ab. दोनों को एक common root मिल जाता है और ये दोनों multiplied होते हैं. So root 8 into root 2. So एक common root और 8 into 2, so that is 16. So root 16y plus root 3 into root 3, 3. So plus 3y is equal to 0 into root 3, 0. चलिए ready? अब 16 का square roots possible है? हाँ या ना? या possible. What is the square root of 16? 4. So next step you write 4y plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay? See the next one. Next steps. See. This is root 6. So square root of 16 is 4. So 4y plus 3y is equal to 0. 4y plus 3y. 7y is equal to 0. Divide both sides with 7. This 7 on this side. So y is equal to 0 upon 7. 0 upon anything is equal to 0. So I have got the value for y, that is 0. Now see what is the value of x? X is equal to, now x is equal to root 8 upon root 3 into y. So is equal to root 8 upon root 3. Value of y is here 0. Now 0 into anything 0. Fine. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So solution is ready. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. She. Please complete these examples. Ready for next? Okay. See the next example. See the next. Ready for next. See next. Example number 6. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. See, this equation is not in simplest form. So first take the LCM. This 3 multiplied here. So 3 into 3 9x minus this 2 is multiplied here. So 5 into 2 10y and total LCM 3 2s are 6. If you want to increase one steps you can write upon 6, and if you want to decrease one steps this total LCM you multiplied here. So total LCM is 3 2s are 6 and 6 into 2 12. So this should be a minus 12. Clear? So first equation is ready. See the second equation is given x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. So now here also 2 is LCM. 2x, here 3, so 3y. Total LCM 3 2s are 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Now from both the sides 6 would be cancelled. So this equation says 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Equations number 2. चलिए ready? Now कोई decide कर लीजिए. What you want to do? You want to substitute x for y or y for x? देखो in previous मेजर क्वेश्चन वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड x फॉर y, तो चलिए इसमें y फॉर x ट्राई करते हैं. So this plus 2x on this side, so 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x, right? Now divide this equations by 3, it means y is equal to 13 minus 2x upon 3. चलिए ready? Now this y you can substitute in first equation, fine? So let I write here. See the next. चलिए ready? So now see, now this y is equal to 13 minus 2x upon 3. So if you write in continuity, it would be okay. Here you write down, putting in equation 1. In equation 1. चलिए, this value of y I am substituting in equation 1. So equation 1 is here. 9x minus 12y is equal to minus 12. So 9x minus 10. Value of y is ready. What is the value for y? 13 minus 2x upon 3. So this is 13 minus 2x upon 3, right? Is equal to minus 12. चलिए, okay. Now see this 3 is multiplied. So 9 3s are 27x minus 10 is multiplied here. So 13 into 10, it's a 130. Now this 10 is multiplied, minus minus plus 10 into 2, 20x. और ये LCM you can either write in denominator, otherwise you can multiply here. So minus 12 3 is a minus 36. Okay, if you want to increase the one step, first you write here upon 3, same time you write minus 12, and then this 3 multiply. Okay, what you want to do you can. Now see, this is 27, this is 20. So 27 plus 20, it's a 47x. This minus 130 on this side. So minus 36 plus 130. Okay? चलिए ready? So therefore 47x is equal to 130 में से 36 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए. पहले 30 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो 100 और 100 में से 6 करो तो 94. So this comes 94 and plus आएंगे because 130 is plus. Now divide by 47. It means x is equal to 94. This 47 comes here upon 47. Okay? 47 2s are 94. So this comes 2. So finally we have got the very simple value of x, and that is equal to 2. Clear? This x I am substituting here. So 2 2s are 4. 13 minus 4, so it's a 9, 9 by 3, and that is equal to 3. I hope you can do it yourself. This x, now you write the statement, now y is equal to this, and substitute this x over here, so you will get the value for y. I hope it would be 3. Clear? Please. चलिए complete कर दीजिए. Please complete this. चलिए ready? See the next example. See the next. चलिए ready? See the next example. See next. I request all of you, please keep a data with you, textbooks with you, page number 53, exercise 3.3. Please keep a textbooks with you. Here, see in word problem, data reading is compulsory. If you are not reading the data, you will not get the idea for the example. So in examination hall, you will be in trouble. So data reading is compulsory in a word problem. So see here, 3.3, Exercise page number 53, example 2. Let I read the data, please. You see in your textbook. Shall 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Shall 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Number 1 equation. And 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. And 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Equation number 2. And hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Chaliye, ready? Fine. See, first of all we solve and later on we complete the half of the examples. Means what the next statement we complete the later on. First उन्होंने बताया find the solution. So let me find out by using the method of substitution. चलिए, okay? देखो यहाँ पे method of substitution very easy है. Let I replace x replace करो. यहाँ से minus 4y on this side. So 2x is equal to minus 24 plus minus 4y on this side plus 4y. अब सीधे ये 2x ही यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो बिकॉज हियर ऑलरेडी इट इज 2x. ये सारी चीज़ें आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट रखो. देखो इन एवरी एग्जाम्पल वी आर फाइंडिंग x बट यहाँ पे 2x मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे सीधे 2x है. सो क्यों हम x फाइंड करें? बेटर आई कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट डायरेक्ट 2x हियर. नॉट अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? सो सी हियर पुटिंग इन. So this I am substituting in equation number 1. चलिए तैयार. So see equation number 1 में substitute करो. So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So therefore 2x is ready. What is the value for 2x? See, minus 24 plus 4y. So for this 2x I am substituting minus 24 plus 4y plus 3y is equal to 11. Now 4y plus 3y, so that is 7y is equal to minus 24 on this side. So it becomes a plus 24. So 11 plus 24. 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3. So 24 plus 11 that becomes 35. So 7y is equal to 35. So what you say about y? Divide with 7. Okay. So 35 by 7 it's a 5. So you will get the value for y, that is 5. This y you substitute here, you will get 2x and then you divide by 2, you will get the x. Clear? So see on that board. See, ready? See. Here y is equal to 5. Now 2x is equal to. Now 2x is equal to minus 24 plus 4y. Minus 24 plus 4y is equal to minus 24 plus 4. See what is the value of y? Y is a 5. Clear? So y 5 I am substituting here. So y it is a 5. So minus 24 plus 5 4s are 20. Minus 24 plus 20. It means it's a minus 4. So 2x is a minus 4. So therefore x is equal to this 2 on this side, right? So this is minus 4 upon 2, it's a minus 2. So I have get the value of x as a minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Clear? Ready? So see the solutions is ready. Fine. Now see the other part. Chaliye, ready? Now let me solve the other part. See this is minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now यहाँ पे see please read the data. आपको पूछा गया है कि find the value of m. Now we require to find m. आपको m find करना है. Equations is given. Y is equal to mx plus 3. चलिए ready? So find out the value for m. Use this solution. तो एकदम simple है. Here y आप 5 x minus 2 और y 5 है. Clear? So these two value you substitute here. Y 5. X की वैल्यू माइनस 2. सो माइनस 2 इंटू एम माइनस 2m प्लस 3. चलिए क्लियर. नाउ से प्लस 3 ऑन दिस साइड. सो इट इज माइनस 3. सो 5 माइनस 3 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 है. क्लियर. नाउ माइनस 2 ऑन दिस साइड. सो m इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन माइनस 2 एंड इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. क्लियर. सो यू हैव गॉट द वैल्यू फॉर m एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. दैट्स ऑल. Now specially word problems are coming. Fine. So before I start the word problems, I give us some practice for the analytical method on method of substitution. So we complete our lectures here. After this, you will get a one practice lesson. You solve it method of substitution, and then we go for the word problem. Okay, चलिए complete.